English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 12.
Bills.
Notes. Coins.
Wallet.
Purse. Credit card. Debit card. Cash machine. ATM. Withdraw money. Bank. Bank statement. Online banking. Mobile banking. Receipt. Currency.
Cash register.
Till. Safe. Invoice.
Check.
Check. Deposit. Pay in money. Transfer money.
The company I work for pays an hourly rate of $15. Hourly rate. The salary for this job is $35,000. Salary. I work fewer hours now, but I had to take a huge pay cut. A pay cut. My annual review was really positive, so I'm hoping to get a raise next year. A raise.
A pay rise.
My bonus this year was $2,000, so I'm going to buy a new car. A bonus. Benefits include a free gym membership. Benefits. I work extra hours regularly and get overtime pay. Overtime. The demand for plumbers has decreased, so I earned half as much this year. To earn. The shop has been really busy, so our wages are increasing next week. Wage. I get 20 days of annual vacation every year. Annual vacation.
Annual leave.
End of Lesson 12.